What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, what's up? Welcome. What you doing? How are you? Subscribe, join the fam. I am doing this video in two different sections. So first I'm going to do an initial review on this hair, and then I'm going to do a tutorial on this hairstyle. So if you're interested in just looking at a tutorial on this hairstyle, here's the timestamp so you don't have to hear me ramble. But if you are interested in some details on this hair, keep on watching. Okay, so I have everything pulled up on my phone so I don't miss anything, but I am gonna have everything in the description box. So if you do want to go back and look or whatever, everything's gonna be there. I was sent this unit by Divaswigs. They sent me the Indian version human hair lace front wig. This is a 22-inch unit and I got it in 150% hair density. And then the lace color is light brown. I also bleached the knots myself. The knots did not come bleached, but I pretty much bleach the knots of every unit that I get regardless. So I wasn't really bothered by that, but it came out pretty okay. I did just install this unit like 2 days ago, and so far I've gotten pretty much no shedding. But I think that's also to blame with this hairbrush. I use this hairbrush on my real hair, and it's one of the it's not the easy detangler, it's the it's Bestool or something like that. I don't know, it has hair in it, but this brush really does a good job of decreasing the amount of tension that's on my hair and like my wigs and stuff like that, the wefts and everything, when I am trying to detangle my hair. So I do kind of say some credits to Brushy Brush, but I've gotten very minimal shedding from this unit, which I would hope so. I've only had it in for 2 days, but you know, all units are not made the same, okay? So we're doing good so far. The quality of the hair is actually pretty nice. It holds a curl pretty well. I live in Louisiana, so humidity, as soon as I walk outside, curl's gone, frizz here to stay. But everything's been pretty much, you know, it kind of surprised me a little bit, okay? It's been doing what it needs to do, okay? It's been keeping sis cute. I don't believe the hairline was pre-plucked. It was a little thick, but I actually kind of prefer that with my frontals because they can thin out over time with wearing them with glue and all that other type of stuff or whatever. So I wasn't mad at it at all, but I didn't really pluck it as much because I'm lazy, and yeah, I'm lazy. But I just cut me some little baby hairs, you know, I just kind of swooped it up, so it didn't come out too bad. As far as pricing goes, the total for this unit is $319. So I went into the website and just added all of the little specifications and everything, and it totaled out to be that, which really isn't too bad. I do think this is a unit that will last you. So it's not on one of the more, you know, hair can get crazy expensive. So it's not on the super expensive side, but I do think this hair would last you. It does seem like some pretty good quality hair so far. Are my initial thoughts on the hair. I do think it's some good hair so far. I'm happy with it. If you guys are interested in a tutorial on this look, stay tuned right now. Okay, so I'm starting off with this. It's just looking how it's looking. It's quarantine. Okay, so the first thing you do is part your hair. So I do my part on the left side of my head so that the swoop can come like across the right side. But if you want, you can just do it like the flip side and it'll look the same. But I'm just gonna make a part right here. And so like about that much is good. And then from that part, I'm just gonna make like kind of an L shape and just go directly across. And I'm trying not to take too much hair or make it too thick so that the bang isn't like humongous. And then from here, I'm just gonna make another part. So it should look kind of like a box shape-ish, maybe. But yeah, kind of like this type of shape so that you can take this and like swoop it that way. I'm just gonna twist this out the way so I can go to the other section. You don't have to make like a whole bantu knot, but I just feel like it gets in the way of what I'm trying to see and stuff. But So here you're just gonna pull half of your hair up from ear to ear, just like you would do like a normal half up, half down hairstyle, except this little piece is out. So you're just gonna make sure you're doing from ear to ear. And I'm just doing my fingers and just kind of feeling my way through. See here, I'm not making the ponytail perfect just yet. I'm just kind of pulling it out the way so I can take the back hair and pull it out the way. So now that that ponytail is back there, I'm just gonna take all of this hair, pull it in a ponytail. Okay, so now that all of that excess hair is pulled out of the way, it just makes it easier to gel the top half down. I'm just gonna pull this top half out and then brush it out. And usually I would use a hot comb, but I broke mine, so. I mean, the gel still works the same, so. And here, I'm just gonna take my edge brush and just kind of gel this up as I go. And now I'm just making sure some of the little edges are pulled out. And I'm just gonna take a rubber band and pull it up. I'm just gonna take a little piece of hair from the front and then wrap it around that rubber band so you can't see it. Now I'm just gonna take this front part out and twist it and then brush it out. Now this part really isn't necessary, but I'm just gonna use a wand curler to just make sure everything is super smooth. So when I do use gel, it's not like I have to use as much. Now this part is really up to you of how much hair you want in your face. I personally don't like that much hair, but I think this hairstyle is so freaking cute. So I just do it to where it's still above my eyebrows and it's kind of like, you know, it's there. You still get the side part feel, and just tuck it behind my ear. And I am gonna use a pin to just clip it so that it doesn't go anywhere. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit more of that Eco Styling gel on my edge brush, and I'm just gonna smooth everything out some more. So now that the bang is done, I'm just gonna pull all that hair from the back, take it out, and brush everything out. Because I think it's cuter with just a little bit of a curl, but you can just wear it straight. I'm just gonna add a little bit of a curl to it. Period. And for this part, I'm probably just gonna speed it up a little bit, but I'm just gonna touch up my edges to give it that final touch. Okay guys, and this is pretty much it. Leave a comment below, let me know if y'all like this look, if y'all want me to do anything else. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see y'all in the next one.